Okay, use the trigonometry notes video that I made to help you remember these three functions. We're going to use these three throughout trigonometry parts 1 through 4. So we have to find x, and when you look at the triangle, we have a right angle. This immediately becomes hypotenuse. Now this angle is formed by two sides, the hypotenuse and the adjacent. Go ahead and label that. And this side will always be opposite the acute angle you're working with. So this is going to be the opposite. All right. Now, we're having to find x. It's the adjacent. We're using 10. It's the hypotenuse. Which trig function uses adjacent and hypotenuse? Well, that's going to be cosine. So immediately write down cos, the acute angle, 60 degrees, is equal to adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. So x over 10, comma x, and when you go to your calculator, you can menu 3-1 that, and that will look like this. So you will click the trig button, and then again for cosine, press enter, and then 60, and then the degree symbol will be right here in the pi button. An arrow down to get the degree symbol, press enter, and then move your cursor between these two parentheses and press equal and control divide, and your fraction is x over 10. And then use the right arrow to move outside the fraction, comma x, enter. So x equals 5.